What would happen if all humans suddenly disappeared from Earth? In the first 24 hours, power plants would shut down and lights across the globe would flicker out, leaving cities in darkness. Within a few Two centuries later, most skyscrapers and bridges would have collapsed. 15,000 years from now, only stone monuments and traces of metal would remain. Millions of years later, even the pyramids and Mount Rushmore would be gone, eroded like they never existed. And after 50 million years, Earth would be completely back to normal. No roads, no buildings, no sign we were ever here. Just a planet alive, thriving without humans.